Hello, thank you for clicking this video. If you're interested in a hairstyle that is long lasting and is quick to install, then this is the video for you. So watch till the end where I'll be giving you tips on how to maintain and even install this hairstyle. I'm starting off by moisturizing my hair. I just use coconut oil for this, and I had stretched it out a few hours before and left it in 4 sections. So I'll begin by doing simple cornrows. This took me about 20 minutes or less. You don't have to do very neat cornrows while you are going to install your crochet hair. So this was pretty easy, I'd say. For these, the cornrows are just simple going backwards, and at the center I'll leave out two lines. So I've plaited the sides and left out the center, which will fit 2 lines. And for the one on your left, I'm dividing it into 2 and plaiting it in different directions. So as you can see, the one at the back is just going backwards like the rest of the cornrows. And for the one in the front section, that will be plaited in the opposite direction. So moving forward, I'll just plait this towards the front, and then when I reach my edge, I will turn it and join it to the next line and plait it backwards. So I'm just plaiting the back to join them, and then I'll crochet it into itself just to close everything in. This is the hair I'll be using. It's the HAVANA curl in number 1. These are how the curls look like. I think I'll use half of them for the front, and then half I'll spread them around the sides and the back, because I need the front to be bulkier than everywhere else. So these are 10 in the first half, and I'll be unraveling each. I hope it will be enough because I only bought one. I'll be oiling and unraveling each twist, and so at first I began by unraveling the ends without cutting them, but I realized this was just going to be messy, and so I decided later to be cutting the ends before unraveling, and that was just making the whole process easy. So that's one tip. I began from the back, just did the normal crochet method. I passed the hook under the cornrow, and then I removed the hook and then tied it up over the loop. I think if you watch, you just understand. Explaining it is a bit difficult. So I'm going around the sides and the back as I move towards the front and center. So at the front, I'll be doing different knots. I'll be passing the crochet hook under the braid and then passing it through, but then this time I'll just pick one strand and then tie it and fasten it properly. So each hair will be coming from either side of the cornrow. This will give my part a natural look since the cornrow will be covered by the one remaining strand. I'm left with these 2 twists, and I think I'll just use them to fill up the hair. It's looking okay so far. So this is the final look. I like that the hair it's pretty light, so like that's what you should actually, that's a tip you should consider when you are buying crochet hair. Make sure if you want to do something big on your head, make sure it's less bulky. And also you need to do your calculations as you saw at the beginning of the video. You have to even out the hair throughout the head and make sure the upper part or the front part has a bit more bulk than the back, because the hair is going to fall over, so it's better if there's more up here, right? The package comes with instructions, washing instructions. I don't know if you can see this. It comes with washing instructions at the bottom, and what I get from this is like I use warm or cool water with some shampoo. I didn't wash this before installing, but it's because this is my first time using this hair and I didn't know what to do, how to do it. But in future, I probably wash the hair before installing. But then I can also just wash the hair while it's on my head. I'll do this like a week before I take it out, so I can see if it's going to maintain the curls, because it says that the curls will bounce back. You don't need to set the hair once you wash it. So if you need to purchase these, I feel like this is something you can get in your local beauty supply store. I am sure it is in Besley. So I'm happy with the results, guys, because I've been looking for curly hair that will look fluffy but it's not bulky. And also I feel like this is the perfect color. I haven't seen any other colors for the Havana curl, but if I feel like black looks good on me, and I will try other colors probably soon, and I will also try to make a wig out of this. So I probably would video that before the end of the year. This hair is like, what is it called? Connect lawn. Another good tip for this is you oil the hair before you crochet, like I was doing for each individual twist, because it will be easier for it to slide through the crochet hook. And to cut the bangs, so I'm going to find a way to style these so that I won't have to cut the bangs, because I feel like if I cut the bangs and I need to style these, they'll just be uneven, I guess. So let me find a way to style these. for watching. See you on my next video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.